I want to talk to you today about your car damage following a auto collision or auto accident. The first question to ask is whether my car is safe to drive. If it's safe to drive, you may not be entitled to a rental car right away. However, if it's not safe to drive, it may have been towed or in towing impound or towing storage, then you will be entitled to a rental car right away. The other question to ask is, what do I do after my car is either in storage or at my home drivable? It's to determine whether the car is repairable or not. If it's not repairable, it'll be a total loss, and that's based on the fair market value of your vehicle. The first step following that is to get an inspection. The insurance company will want to inspect your vehicle. They may send a field adjuster out to inspect your vehicle, or they may refer you to a preferred body shop. You take it in, they take some photos, and you can get the inspection done that way. Once the inspection is completed, then they will produce a property damage estimate. And after the property damage estimate is produced, then they will determine, interestingly enough, the insurance company will determine whether they are going to authorize repair, or the damage to your vehicle is too great and they have to total out your vehicle. If they do repair, then you're entitled to a full and fair repair of your vehicle. And if they total loss your vehicle, then you are entitled to the fair market value of the vehicle. Oftentimes, people ask, well, after a car accident, then what happens to the value of my car? Isn't the value of my car diminished? And that's called diminished value. In the state of Washington, in order to get separate consideration for diminished value, the repair estimate has to show frame or structural damage. And those are coded differently. If those are shown in the repair estimate, then yes, you shall be entitled to the diminished value of your car on top of whatever the repair bill is. Now, if your vehicle is totaled out, even if there is frame or structural damage, then that's included in the total loss value of your vehicle. One thing to remember, in the state of Washington, even as a victim of a motor vehicle accident, you have a duty to mitigate your damages. Let me give you an example. Somebody ruins your car, it's not drivable, it's towed from the scene, perhaps you are taken by ambulance to a hospital, and your car remains in the tow yard. Mitigating your damages means you still have to report it within a reasonable period of time to the insurance company. In other words, you can't just leave it at the tow yard and not deal with it, because let's say a month passes and then you report it to the insurance company. Well, they're not going to cover 30 days of storage fees and 30 days for rental or loss of use of your vehicle. So again, it's very important that you mitigate your damages even when you are a victim of a motor vehicle accident. The best thing to do, because I'm giving you a summary of kind of the steps of the property damage or vehicle damage and how that process works, the best thing to do is to contact an experienced personal injury lawyer to help you through this process. Now, at R. Martin Law Group, we handle the property damage for our clients as a service. It also allows me to get more familiar with your motor vehicle accident. There is no separate attorney's fee for the property damage. Attorney's fees are only collected on your injury claim. Thank you.